In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access system and updates. Then click on simple mode over here and select enable at the bottom to activate it. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to your standard one, click on settings, scroll down and select exit simple mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!